This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Well, you're thinking, what is the test configuration now, right? Well, this is important, right? I got the test plan, I got the test suite, I got the whatever is called the different type of testing, all the good thing. What is the test configuration? Well, think about that. You can giving example for the schools about the Facebook. It's an example. Schools hub. You can log in from your mobile, from the web, from your computer, from the computer. It can be the Windows, it can be the Mac. From the computer, in the Mac, it can be the Safari, it can be the Chrome, it can be the Firefox. Means the many you have to test. The amount of the testing coverage you do, we call the configuration, and you have to work. Okay, so as an example, we are going to operating system Mac, right? It's an example. Oh, look at this Windows 10, all this show. Under the operating system, now we are going to use multiple type of browsers, right? Because your application has to work everywhere else. It's not done yet, right? It's not even done. Then you have to go to the mobile. I'm not going to talk about the mobile app yet. Mobile browser itself. So mobile has a iPhone, Android, and the iPhone has the Safari, and again you download all the mobile browser, and you have to perform the testing. Well, you're doing all of this. Come on, you have to actually track them somewhere else. You have to have like the beauty into action, right? So this is in general, all this combination, operating system, different browser, different tab, different display, is you have to track them, you have to document them. It's called the test configuration. So you will have to do this. This is core part of your manual testing. Go next.